I'm going to show you an example of each of those special cases of equations when you're solving with variables on both sides. So in the first example, we have a negative on the outside of the parentheses, so we can start by distributing, and that makes our equation negative 3 plus 2x equals 2x minus 3. Then we move our variables all to one side. So if I want to move these over here, railroad tracks can be helpful. I would undo adding 2x by taking away 2x, which then cancels the variables from both sides of the equation. And when that happens, we have one of those special cases, and we bring down the negative 3 that's left on the left side of the equal sign and bring down the negative 3 that's left on the right side of the equal sign. And this statement is actually true. Negative 3 really does equal negative 3. And when that happens, then your answer is all real numbers. Or you could say that this is an identity equation. It means the same thing. The other example, 4x minus 10 equals 2 times 2x plus 5. Again, at first glance, it looks just like a regular equation that we'd solve and have x equals some number. But once I start simplifying and I distribute, I get 4x minus 10 equals 2 times 2x is 4x plus 2 times 5 is 10. And again, we can set up our railroad tracks if that helps you. Move variables all to one side. So I will take 4x away and take it away from both sides to keep our equation balanced. And then this time what's left is a negative 10. And then over here, a positive 10. And this is not a true statement. This is actually a false statement. Negative 10 does not equal 10. Our variables have completely canceled, but we have a false statement. So our answer is no solution. There are no real solutions to this equation. So make sure you know the difference between an equation that has exactly one solution and then an equation like this where every single number could be plugged in. X could be any number, a fraction, a decimal, a positive, a negative, and it would work. Or over here, over here where nothing will work. And that's when you would say no solution.